Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn HTML CSS fast, only ways. Start by building a single simple web page and style it from top to bottom as you learn each tag and property. Follow a tiny consistent routine and iterate on one project to apply new skills immediately. Ask questions, copy patterns, and refactor often to make learning stick while keeping it fun and achievable. Begin with HTML tags, then layer CSS progressively to avoid overwhelm and keep momentum. Use short, focused goals like making a header, a nav, and a responsive grid. Practice spacing, alignment, and media queries until layouts feel natural. Regularly inspect sites you like to see how they handle structure and styles, then mimic and simplify those patterns in your own projects for deeper understanding. Adopt a weekly plan that alternates building new components and improving existing work to reinforce learning. Spend the first half of a session creating structure and the second half refining styles and responsiveness. Keep projects small but complete so you get feedback from actual results, and document lessons learned to avoid repeating mistakes and to speed future builds in a relaxed, confident way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.